What you just saw was a screenshot of a comment that one of my real-life friends posted on my Bluetooth speaker video. He was saying, "Oh, you should make a video about the new battery." And I was like, "Sure." So, well, here we go. This is attempt 2 of this video. I was like 8 minutes in, and I was so close to being done. And I turn on my Bluetooth, and it ends my video. Samsung, come on. Come on, you piece of crap. Now I've got to take this thing apart, show you everything again, and then put the thing back together again. All because of Samsung's automatic end video thing. And that really wouldn't be such a problem if my video editor didn't take 10 freaking hours to save a 7-minute video. But it freaking does, and I don't get it. I just don't get it. Why didn't I make a part 2 instead? I've explained it in a couple other videos why I hate making part 2s. Now I've got to sit here, take this thing apart again, show you everything again, explain what I did again. It's freaking bullcrap. Okay, there we go. There's the new battery. So as you can see, it looks very different. The other one was just a blue rectangle. A blue rectangular prism. This one looks very different. It's a completely different shape and completely different colors, but it's exactly the same type of battery. Same voltage, and same type, and... However, it holds more. It's got a better capacity. It says on it here. Well, used to. It used to say it there, but not quite anymore. But yeah, it's smaller, but it holds more. Seems strange, but... well... And yeah, so that's the new battery. The old battery used to sit right here. And it's like, if the battery sat here, literally all of this space here is completely empty. And besides, this circuit board could legit just be... I did this in the last video, and now I'm not able to do it again. I mean, like, I did this in the first attempt of this video, and I'm not able to do it again, because of something I did in the last video, made it so I can't do that again. Another piece of crap thing about having to make an attempt 2 of this video. But yeah, if that circuit board could easily just be sitting right on top of the speaker there, and the battery be just, like, right next to it, and they could all be in this one little tiny space, and all of this space here didn't need to be used. It could be so much smaller, and it could have used so much less plastic. Yet they decided to use up as much space, or they tried to make it as big as they possibly could. So there's tons of room right here, just for 4 little tiny little wires. And there's all this space right here for literally absolutely nothing. It doesn't make sense. Bytech, bro, come on. There's no need to waste all that plastic on empty space. But yeah, that's the new battery. And that glue there is holding the wires there so they don't move. And there's also some glue underneath the battery holding the battery in place there. However, the reason I'm holding the speaker is because it's not attached to anything with glue. It's just sitting there. it only stays there once this is on, because that circle there, as you can see it where that circle like pushes on it. It keeps it there, and yeah. So as you can see, you've got your 3 plugs, your micro USB for charging it, and an SD card slot. You put an SD card in there, and it plays stuff that's on the SD card, and a USB slot. You stick a USB plug in there, and it plays whatever you give to it via USB. Oh my god, dude. And yeah. And your buttons are up there. Where's the flashlight? I had it in attempt 1. Where is it? There it is. Right. There's your 3 buttons in there. And they lead up to those buttons up at the top there. And so yeah, this is just a speaker. The battery used to be down here, and the circuit board is up here. So all this space, all this space is pretty much completely empty. And yeah, that's the inside. That's what the inside of this looks like when it's all put together and everything. And that's the new battery there. I just cut the wires off the old battery, and it just came right off, and I bared the wires and attached that battery to it, and there we go. Just like that. Simple as that. Just like that. And it charges up and works very nicely now. And yeah, so that's the inside of this thing now. My Bluetooth is on now, because, as you know, I turned it on in attempt 1, and turning Bluetooth on, for some reason, ends your video. Well, now I'm gonna put this thing back together. Where's my freaking screwdriver? Freaking finally. That took a solid 5 minutes of searching for that. Okay, anyway, let's put this thing back together. Luckily, it's only got 5 screws instead of 20. A lot of things I've taken apart have had way more screws than necessary. This does have more screws than necessary. Just not very much, but I don't think it needs 5 screws. It's just holding 2 pieces of plastic together, so it doesn't really need 5 screws. But still, 5 screws is not very much. So, but some things about this size, and they have just way too many screws, and I don't get it. There we go. Things now together. There we go. Now it's connected to my tablet. That sound there, that's not my tablet's notification. That is not... Hold on. Sorry about that. I really had to blow my nose there. Anyway, yeah. So now, that sound there, was not a notification on my tablet. Don't worry, I do not use that annoying default ringtone thing. I don't use that. That's just what Bytech decided to use as a Bluetooth connected sound. And now you can play music. Come on now. There we go. Maybe I shouldn't turn it that high, because who knows, it might come out super loud. Come on. And yeah, that song is Misty Mountain Hop by Led Zeppelin. You heard that song in the other Bluetooth speaker video. Stop. There we go. Alright, now I will deactivate it. There we go. Yay! Goodbye.